How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Catching Cars. My name is Isaiah, and this right here is the key to our test vehicle today. Thanks to Drive, we have this 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLB 200. I hope you guys can hear me because of the wind noise. We are at the Autobahn now. We're gonna try and launch this thing, but there's no straight right here. So we're just gonna go for a little Autobahn drive. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Alright, so pickup from this thing is quite okay. Nothing special. This is actually a Renault engine, 163 PS, I believe. I'll have all the stats down in the description below, of course. Since it's limited to 100 here and it's kind of going downhill a bit, we're not going to do the acceleration test here. We may be able to do one in a few minutes further down the road. But a very comfortable car overall. I really like this transmission, to be honest. This is the 7-speed DCT from Mercedes. There's one thing though, when you go from drive to reverse on this stock here, somehow it takes forever, and sometimes it'll tell you to make sure you hit the brake first and come to a complete stop before you go into reverse. So there's been multiple times when I wanted to turn around or just go from drive to reverse, and it would just go to neutral and I wouldn't be in the reverse gear. So that is one thing to look out for, but other than that, I was pleasantly surprised by this vehicle as well. Didn't think I was gonna like it this much. Of course, I am more of a sports car kind of guy, but yeah, overall, not a bad car at all. We may just do an acceleration test here. I'm gonna pull over. There's enough room here for people to get by, and then we'll go ahead and do that acceleration test. So we're going to go into sport mode, turn off all these annoying assistance systems that you get nowadays. This is a touchscreen, and you can also use the controller here as well. I found myself using the touchscreen more often, but every once in a while I'll use this as well. So it's kind of clear now, so we'll go ahead and do that acceleration test. Alright, so it's going slightly uphill now. There's no need to do any measurements on that. But as I said, quite fine. And I just see now that my memory space is running out on my GoPro. But either way, there's a lot more videos coming, of course. So make sure you guys hit the like button, comment down below, and make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.